Concrete has long been the go-to method for setting fence posts, but it's not without problems. It creates a moisture trap that can rot wooden posts. It's heavy to work with, and removing concrete set posts later is a nightmare. Today we're exploring revolutionary alternatives that might actually work better for your fencing project. Let's start with crushed gravel or stone. This method provides excellent drainage while still offering substantial stability. Simply dig your post hole about 3 times the width of your post and at least 2 feet deep. Place about 6 inches of gravel at the bottom. Position your post, then fill the remaining space with more gravel, tamping it down every few inches. The angular stones lock together around your post, creating a solid foundation that allows water to drain away. Sand is another excellent alternative. It's particularly useful in areas with good drainage. The installation process is similar to gravel. Dig your hole, add a base layer of sand, position your post, then fill and tamp. The key advantage here is that sand conforms perfectly around the post, eliminating air pockets. Just be sure to use coarse builder's sand rather than fine play sand for better compaction. For those looking for something more innovative, expanding foam post setting products have entered the market. These 2-part polyurethane foams expand to fill the hole completely, creating a waterproof seal around your post. They're incredibly quick, setting in about 15 minutes, and provide impressive strength without the weight of concrete. Some homeowners are finding success with tamped soil methods, especially when combined with hardware like post anchors or spikes. This traditional approach works well in stable soil conditions and has the advantage of being completely natural. What makes these alternatives superior to concrete in many situations? First, they all provide better drainage, which extends the life of wooden posts by preventing moisture accumulation. Second, they make future repairs or replacements much easier. No jackhammering required. Third, methods like gravel and sand allow for minor adjustments, even after installation, if your post shifts slightly. These concrete-free methods are particularly valuable for certain applications: temporary fencing, garden enclosures, and projects in remote locations where hauling concrete is impractical. All benefit from these lighter, more flexible approaches. The next time you're planning a fence installation, consider ditching the concrete. These alternative methods not only save you the hassle of mixing and pouring, but they might actually give you a more durable, longer-lasting fence with fewer headaches down the road.